Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Batman inspired outfit hack in Dress to Impress. So if you ever got the superhero theme in DTI, you might want to see this, and this is the Batman outfit that I created in DTI. So let's just start it. So first, this is the hair that and makeup that I'm using. You can always change the makeup look, but I'm using this one. And first I'm going to put on this biker short and change it into black. Then I'm going to go to the men's section and put on this belt right here and change it into yellow. Okay, this yellow seen here. Change the rest of them into black. And now let's put on the top. So there are two tops that I'm going to use. The first one is this one, and I'm going to change it into silver color and the rest of them into black. And let's put on this one next and change the color into silver like this. So next let's put on this shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to use this one and change it into black, all black like this. And let's head to this section in here. First I'm going to put on this stockings and change it into silver, and put on the gloves and toggle it into no fur and change the color into silver again, and put on the sleeve in here with the same color. Now I'm going to put on the glove, change it into black and this, and warmer, and again change it into black. Now let's put on the mask. So the mask that I'm going to use is this mask in here, and just change the color into black. So this is the final look. And that's it. I hope you like this hack. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.